Can you see Jacob playing video games right now? Jacob.
Yeah. What?
You have clothes on.
I do have clothes on.
It's amazing. Yeah. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying some more Taco Bell stuff. I know it's been a while. What I got today is the stacker. The stacker, looks like a glorified quesadilla. This looks, I mean, there's nothing there. I hope this isn't another poopy diaper incident. But I got the box. If you care to know, the box comes with 2 crunchy tacos, one of these stackers, and chips and queso, and a drink. It's been a while since I've had Taco Bell, and this just like screams Taco Bell. I think it's just like cheese and meat. Yeah, it seems like 2 quesadillas just kind of like stacked on top of each other. I know that's what a lot of people on Twitter have been saying. It's not bad. It's not amazing. Maybe if there was stuff added to it, but at that point, just get a burrito, right? Oh! There's nacho cheese in here. No wonder I'm like not hating this. So I think it's like regular cheese, seasoned beef, and nacho cheese just kind of like stacked on each other. But seriously, it's not bad. I think it's worth it for $1 for sure. I know there's already nacho cheese on it, but you know I have to. I'm trying to get like a good spot. Nacho cheese should be on everything. Like, it makes everything taste so much better. This is good. This is good. Overall, like I said, it's not amazing, but it's definitely not bad. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? Just, it's like a 5-layer burrito minus the beans and the, well, yeah, minus the beans and the sour cream. I guess you could have figured that out yourself. Since it was good, it's definitely going to be above a 5 rating. But since there wasn't any wow factor, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. 6 or a 6.5. I don't know. The fact that it has nacho cheese in it, I'll give it a 6.5. It'd be so weird if it only had seasoned beef and like regular cheese. It's better than that Mexi melt, that's for sure. Okay, I was gonna start my recording here, but I just remembered that MissUhhleese wanted me to review a Doritos Locos Taco. I can't remember which one, but I'm gonna review it. It's super orange. I'm gonna try a little bit of the shell. Oh shit. Oh, I took way too much. Yeah, definitely tastes like, it's not as intense as a Dorito, but you can definitely taste the difference. I know what I'm gonna do. Because I have a regular crunchy taco right here. I am going to go back to back and see the difference. Like, for real see the difference. There is a slight difference, but honestly, the meat in here kind of overpowers everything else. I never get crunchy tacos because that happens. I don't think there is a huge difference. I mean, you can kind of tell. It's not super significant. The fact that I'm not a big fan of the crunchy tacos, which is really weird. I'm such a burrito girl. If that's a thing, I'm such a burrito girl. I would give this a 5. It's right down the middle. I just don't have a love for crunchy tacos. Like, my dad, every time we get Taco Bell, he gets like 8 crunchy tacos or something crazy. I'm like, why? Take my rating and maybe add it by like 2 if you really like crunchy tacos from Taco Bell. That's my rating. Really complicated stuff. I thank you guys for watching. I will be reviewing those french fries that are coming out, I think like the 25th or something of January. But yeah, keep a lookout for that. I'm definitely going to be posting something for that because I really want to try it. It looks interesting. If you like this video, give it a little thumbs up and comment anything else from Taco Bell you want me to review and I'll do it for you. Yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Bye guys!